Hello student, welcome back to VHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter 2 reproduction in flowering plants and plant growth. In the previous video we have learned what is reproduction and vegetative reproduction and reproduction through the flowers. In this chapter we will learn plant growth from seed to seedlings. Okay, so first we have to understand what is seedling. A very small plant is known as seedling. Okay, a very small or a baby plant is known as seedling. Now the seed grow into seedlings, and under favorable conditions seedling grow into a new plant. Okay, so first there is a connection between a seed to seedling to a new plant. How? A seed grow into a seedling through the germination process. First it converted into a sprout, then this sprout convert into a seedling. So the seeds grow into a seedling, and under some favorable condition this seedling grow into a plants. Okay. Now we all know that a single plant produces so many seeds. Okay, but all the seeds don't reproduce the plant. Why? Because some of them are eaten by the birds and other animals like rice, wheat. Okay, and some seeds may not get right condition to germinate, so they dry up and die. Okay, so there are two conditions why all the seeds don't grow as a plant. First, some are eaten by the birds and other animals, and some seeds may not get right condition to germinate, so that they dry up and die. Now the only that seed which receive all the favorable condition to grow and survive grow into a new plants. Okay, only those seeds which receive all the favorable condition to grow and survive, they grow as into a new plant. Now we have to study a structure of seed. Okay, we have so many times have seen this type of seed, so we will learn about the structure of seed. As a structure of seed in the picture is given, so first one by one we will understand different parts of seed. First, each seed is covered by a covering known as the seed coat, which protects the seed from the damage. Okay, again each seed is covered by a covering that is known seed coat, which protects the seed from the damage. Okay, now inside the coat a baby plant is present along with its stored food. Okay, so first inside a coat a baby plant is present along with its stored food, and this food is stored in cotyledon. Okay, this food is stored in cotyledon, which may be single or double. You can see in the picture what is cotyledon inside a seed. Okay, the food is stored. There is a baby plant inside a seed, then it also stored the food, and this food is stored in cotyledon, which may be a single or double. It depends different types of seed in a different plants. Okay, now more on the structure of seed. The baby plant is also known as the embryo. Okay, the baby plant is also known as the embryo. An embryo consists of two main parts. The upper part, which is known as the fermio, which grow into the shoot. Okay, this part grow into the shoot, and the lower part is known as the radicle, which grow into the root. Okay, so again we have understand how a plant is divided into root and shoot system. Now we will learn about this agriculture. Okay, Agriculture. So what is agriculture? The science that deals with the growth of large number of crops. Okay, crops of wheat or the crops of rice. There are so many crops. Either about the okay. So the science that deals with the growth of large number of crops is known as agriculture. It is world's most largest and most important industry because directly, indirectly, we all are dependent on the food grains or the crops. Okay, so say, doing the agriculture work is not that much easy. It is very tough to do the agriculture work or to grow the crops. Now, there are several steps are involved in growing crops, and these steps are known as agriculture practices. Okay. So now we will learn the main steps in agriculture. Okay, so we will learn one by one steps in agriculture. The first, we have to prepare, or a farmer has to prepare the soil by tilling and leveling. So you can see in the picture what is tilling and what is leveling of a field. Next, sowing of seeds. Okay, so for growing the crop, first we have to germinate the seeds. So second step is sowing of seeds. Next, irrigation or watering. Okay, so we all know to grow any plant, plants needs water. So third step, to irrigate the crop or irrigation or watering. Fourth is manuring. Okay, manuring, adding organic substance that increase the soil fertility. Okay, that is adding the organic substance that increase the soil fertility. Next, fifth one is inspection of crops from time to time. So we have to also take care of our crops. So we have to inspect the crops time to time. Six, harvesting of mature crops. Now we have to harvest the crop if it is ready. Then threshing to separate the grains. So with the help of thresher, we just separate the grains to take in use. Now winnowing to separate the husk. Okay, so it will be useful for the animals or any other task. Now storing and marketing. Finally, we have to store, a farmer has to store and do the marketing of these seeds. So this will be provided to each and every person. Now for today it is enough. We will meet in next video. Till stay safe, stay home. Okay, thank you.